What's up, everybody? Today's video is how to do pops and bangs or just crackles in your RT charger. Now this is a RT charger, just a muffler delete, but also it just, for some reason, my car just does it. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it, and it's all about watching the RPM when you do this. So first thing first, what you want to do is, this helps out me personally. You want to hear a little louder. You want to go to control. You want to go to controls. When you equip in sport mode. When you equip in sports mode, it's like the engine gets a little aggressive. Now for this tutorial, we're gonna have the car in manual mode, which means I'm gonna come down, put it in drive. And we're gonna flick the stick left or right to see D1. Now what I do is, to get the perfect pop, is I let that need to get to the 2000 RPM. And I put it in second, and when it gets right to that 1/2 right there, close to the 1, I drop it back down in first. That's when you're gonna get the most efficient pops. So let the car warm up a little bit before I make this video, because right now we're getting this off by watching the RPM. I don't know if you can already hear it now. I'm gonna let the windows down. The windows down a little bit. And I promise you, I do not have any type of tune. Look at this man in the scooter holding up traffic. Holding up traffic. All right. Again, we're gonna let it go up. I'm gonna shift it to 2. I'm just gonna drive normal for now, but you can already hear it pop. So when you get down to 2 RPM, drop it down to gear. Best if y'all use headphones if y'all want to hear, or a really loud speaker. So yeah, my car just does it. But just like anybody else's car does it. Downshift it. Again, watch that RPM. That easy. Again, you want to get to get up to 2000 RPM, shifting to second. Right before it gets down to the 1, shift it back into first gear. Or 1 while you're in first gear, let it get up to 1500 RPM, and just let go of the gas. You ain't gotta rev it. You ain't gotta rev it high. You ain't gotta do all that extra stuff. It's just a quick little crackle, what you want to call it, pop and crackle though. So I'm gonna let the video record for a little bit so y'all can get a little kind of gist of what's going on. Wish I had my GoPro. But due to the power of editing, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this video up. Again, you wanna downshift it. Watch those RPMs now. And it's really that simple, bro. A lot of people make these videos extra long, but I'm just giving y'all a quick detail of how you can quick do it though. So that's where, after that, I'm going to show it again in full effect.